Here they make cheese, Arkansas, traditional. You can try. They also make special beers. They have all the cheeses. He was very kind because my card is not working anymore since I'm in this country. And you can have a drink here. There's a terrace, and over there they have beers, different kind of beers. They're really good. Malust. There are some things I have to check on the motorbike. First is that my gear is moving. It goes down all the time, goes there. And the problem is this. It's loose. And that is because this one is not in its place. I found it like here. I found it like that. I have to put my foot completely down. I could not shift anymore. And I will put it higher now. And tie that bolt in its place. This is a little bit more comfortable. Oops, it's not moving. And with the turn, it's tight. And this also. So, not moving down anymore. There's a hard metallic sound since 2 years. They cannot find what it is. I started looking. I find many things that make noise. For example, this one not, and this one yes. And then inside this tab there's also a noise, and the tank is working like an amplifier, of course. And that could be also one when I find the next one. It also is a possibility. This is for the cooling liquid, and you see this chain. This is making a lot of noise, and it's moving metal against metal, which is a sound I'm hearing all the time. This, I put a tire tube of a bicycle, tie it on the points, and the chain is in here, so it's not making noise, I hope. We'll see.